My name is Harrison Kinyanjui. I serve as an Assistant Superintendent of Mombasa, Nairobi and Nairobi Maraba Dispatching Center. Train dispatching pertains commanding train operations from the departure station all through the line, all along the line to the arrival station.
So my journey to become a train dispatcher started off when I came to the dispatching center, where I started training to be an assistant train dispatcher. So we get training in a class that is theoretical training, and we blend it together with on-job training by our expatriate. Let's meet my trainer, Mr. Wifanrong, who has trained me on railway and technical skills pertaining the work of dispatching center ever since I came to dispatching center.
在今后接管调度中心所有的活有没有信心？从你们前2年努力学习的状况来看，我相信在不久的将来，你们一定能够全面接管调度中心。谢谢。
Kevin, why do you have construction today? Nothing. Okay. Tidius, where is the passenger train supposed to excuse overland? Void. Okay.
Skill transfer from expatriate staff to local staff is very important because it lays the foundation of skill, knowledge, and expertise that we require in order to deliver and in order to produce in terms of targets that we are set for in the various radio specialist departments. It goes hand in hand with career growth in that as you acquire more skills, you also assume more responsibilities, which means a rise in career ranks.